When you're working in a hazardous environment, using the wrong equipment can be deadly, especially when the unexpected happens. That's why Peli created the world's first ATEX Zone 0 remote area light for global use. Its wide area beam helps prevent workplace injuries by increasing situational awareness, offering a new standard in safety. So when it comes to protecting what matters most, nothing beats a Peli. Introducing the Peli Safety Certified 9455 RALS with an adjustable mast which is 80 centimeters high. It projects a 125-degree beam spread with an output of up to 1600 lumens that lights up an entire work area and the peripheral hazards around you. Up to 10 hours of battery life with a 30 minutes reserve battery level indicator warning. With the Peli 9455 RALS, a danger zone never looked so bright.